Are pests taking over your home? Ants in the kitchen? Flies buzzing around your fruit bowl? Fruit flies partying in your sink? Forget toxic sprays and overpriced traps, because the secret weapon is already sitting in your pantry. It's cheap, it's natural, and it works. I'm talking about vinegar. Vinegar, especially white and apple cider vinegar, contains acetic acid and a strong scent that disrupts insect trails, repels pests, and even kills some on contact. It's non-toxic, safe for pets and kids, and surprisingly effective when used right. Here's your guide on how to use vinegar to get rid of pests. 1. Stink bugs. To eliminate stink bugs with vinegar, a mixture of vinegar, dish soap, and hot water can be used in a spray bottle or as a trap. The solution can be sprayed directly on the bugs to kill them or used in traps to drown them. Here's how to make and use the solution. In a spray bottle, combine 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and half a cup of dish soap. Then spray the solution directly onto the stink bugs to kill them on contact. Alternatively, you can fill a bowl with the solution and place it near areas where you see stink bugs. The bugs will be attracted to the mixture and drown. Apply the spray or set up traps near entry points like windows and doors to target bugs entering your home. Consider using a vacuum cleaner to collect and dispose of stink bugs, ensuring you empty the bag or canister outdoors to prevent lingering odors. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or clove can also be used to repel stink bugs by adding them to a spray bottle with water and applying it around your home. 2. Ants. To get rid of ants with vinegar, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it directly to ant trails, entry points, and areas where you've seen ants gathering. The strong smell of vinegar disrupts the ants' scent trails, which they rely on to navigate and communicate. Spray the solution along baseboards, windowsills, door frames, and any cracks or crevices where ants might be entering your home. Repeat the treatment daily until the ants are gone. While vinegar doesn't kill ants on contact, it's an effective natural repellent that can help keep them from returning. 3. Cockroaches. Vinegar can be used as a cockroach repellent due to its strong odor, which is unpleasant to them. While it doesn't kill cockroaches directly, it can help deter them from entering your home or certain areas. A simple solution of equal parts white vinegar and water can be used to clean surfaces, especially in kitchens and bathrooms, to help keep cockroaches away. You can also pour vinegar down drains, as cockroaches can live in and around them. Vinegar doesn't kill cockroaches instantly, it's a repellent, so you'll need to use it consistently to deter them. Make sure to dilute vinegar with water to avoid damaging surfaces or irritating skin. To use vinegar as a direct repellent, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray this solution on entry points like windows, doors, and cracks and crevices where cockroaches might enter. Reapply regularly, especially after cleaning or if you see signs of cockroaches. 4. Gnats. To effectively use vinegar to get rid of gnats, create a simple trap by combining vinegar with dish soap. The gnats are attracted to the vinegar, and the dish soap breaks the surface tension, causing them to sink and drown. For best results, use apple cider vinegar and place the trap in areas where gnats are frequently seen, such as near fruit or plants. Here's a more detailed guide. Apple cider vinegar is generally preferred for its attractive scent to gnats. Use a shallow container, like a bowl or tuna can. Pour in about 1/4 inch of apple cider vinegar. Add a few drops of dish soap. This is crucial for trapping the gnats, as it reduces the surface tension of the vinegar, causing them to sink. Place the trap in areas where you've noticed gnat activity, such as near fruit, plants, or drains. Cover the container with plastic wrap, poking a few holes to allow the gnats to enter. Adding a bit of sugar to the vinegar can further attract gnats. Allow the trap to sit for a few days, checking and replacing the mixture as needed. Empty and clean the trap regularly to prevent it from becoming a breeding ground for gnats. By combining the attractant of vinegar with the trapping power of dish soap, you can effectively control gnat populations in your home. 5. Foxes. Foxes are known to dislike strong smells such as white vinegar, so placing bowls of it around a garden, particularly in spots where foxes are entering, can prove successful. Bottles of white vinegar can be found online for as little as $1, making this one of the cheapest fox deterrents. 6. Moles. To get rid of ground moles using vinegar, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and saturate the areas around molehills and tunnels. The strong scent of vinegar can deter moles, encouraging them to relocate. Repeat the application every few days, especially after rain, as the solution can dissipate. Here's a more detailed guide. Combine white vinegar and water in a spray bottle using a 1:1 or 1:3 ratio, vinegar to water, depending on the strength you prefer. Spray the solution liberally around molehills, into the tunnels themselves, and along the edges of your yard. Reapply the vinegar solution every few days, particularly after rain, to maintain the strong scent and deter the moles. Be cautious when applying vinegar near plants, as it can potentially damage them at higher concentrations. 7. Mice. Vinegar can be used as a deterrent for mice due to its strong, pungent smell, which mice dislike. To use vinegar, you can soak cotton balls in white vinegar and place them in areas where mice frequent, or create a spray solution by mixing vinegar and water, equal parts, and spraying it around entry points and baseboards. Vinegar is a deterrent, not a guaranteed solution. It's often more effective when combined with other methods. Remember to change or reapply the vinegar solution, cotton balls or spray, regularly to maintain a strong scent. 8. Mosquito. To get rid of mosquitoes in your house using vinegar, you can create a simple repellent spray by mixing 3 parts water with 1 part white vinegar in a spray bottle. You can also make a mosquito trap using apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and a 2-liter soda bottle. Here's how to use vinegar in more detail for mosquito control. For a mosquito repellent spray, combine 3 parts water with 1 part white vinegar in a spray bottle. Optionally, add a few drops of dish soap to help the solution adhere to surfaces. Spray the solution around areas where mosquitoes are present, such as near windows, doors, and in corners. The scent of vinegar can deter mosquitoes from entering your home. For a mosquito trap, cut the top off a 2-liter soda bottle. Invert the top portion into the bottom half, creating a funnel. Mix 4 cups of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda in the bottom of the bottle. The carbon dioxide produced by the mixture will attract mosquitoes, and the vinegar solution will trap them. You can also add essential oils like lavender, lemongrass, or lemon verbena to the vinegar solution for a more pleasant scent and added mosquito repellent properties. For a potent repellent, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and add 10 to 15 drops of essential oils like rosemary. Vinegar can also be used to neutralize odors that attract mosquitoes, such as those from food or garbage. 9. Moths. Vinegar can be used to deter and potentially kill moths, especially their larvae and eggs, by exploiting its acidic nature. A solution of equal parts white vinegar and water can be used to wipe down surfaces like drawers, cabinets, and furniture where moths are present. You can also lightly mist affected areas with this solution, but be mindful of delicate fabrics and test on an inconspicuous area first. Here's a more detailed approach. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Pay close attention to areas where you've seen moth activity, such as closets, pantries, drawers, and around furniture. Look for signs of larvae or eggs, such as small white or beige caterpillars or tiny sticky spots. Use the vinegar solution to wipe down all hard surfaces in the affected areas. This can help kill larvae and disrupt the pheromones that moths use to communicate and lay eggs. If you're dealing with moths in carpets, upholstery, or other fabrics, you can lightly mist the vinegar solution onto the fabric. Remember to always test a small, hidden area first to ensure the vinegar doesn't damage the fabric or its dye. Moths can be persistent, so you may need to repeat this process regularly, especially if you're dealing with an infestation. 10. Grasshoppers. Vinegar can be used to deter grasshoppers, either by spraying a diluted solution on plants or by creating traps. A diluted vinegar solution, equal parts water and vinegar, can be sprayed on plants to make them less appealing to grasshoppers. Alternatively, shallow containers filled with vinegar can be placed around the garden, attracting grasshoppers to drown. Here are the 2 methods in more detail for using vinegar to deter grasshoppers. For a vinegar spray mix, equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution directly on plants that are being targeted by grasshoppers. Reapply after rain or heavy watering. Consider combining with other deterrents like garlic or hot pepper solutions. For vinegar traps, fill shallow containers with a mixture of vinegar and water. Place the containers in areas where grasshoppers are active. The grasshoppers will be attracted to the vinegar, fall in, and drown. If you're using the spray method, consider diluting the vinegar is important to avoid damaging plants. Also, spraying in the mornings when grasshoppers are most active can be effective. Remember, persistence is the key here. Reapply the vinegar solution regularly, especially after rain, and monitor plants for any signs of damage from the vinegar, and adjust the concentration if needed. 11. Flies. To get rid of flies with vinegar, create a simple trap using apple cider vinegar and dish soap. Pour about half a cup of apple cider vinegar into a small bowl or jar, then add a few drops of dish soap and mix gently. The sweet scent of the vinegar attracts the flies while the dish soap breaks the surface tension, causing them to sink and drown once they land. Place the trap near areas where flies are most active, such as kitchen counters, sinks, or trash bins. Replace the mixture every couple of days for best results. This natural method is safe, easy, and highly effective at reducing fly populations indoors. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more natural, no-nonsense home hacks. And let me know in the comments, what pests do you want to kick out next? And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid pests with Dawn dish soap. Don't let the bugs win. Grab that vinegar and take your home back.